Anvikshiki Consulting, an integrated strategy consulting firm. Founded and managed by IIM alumni, Anvikshiki presents strategy audit processes. What is a strategy audit? This is something new you must be hearing, isn't it? We conduct audits of accounts regularly in our organization. But it is an output-driven process, whereas the real growth driver is the strategy, which drives all the decisions, but the strategy is always ignored and hardly evaluated after formulation, isn't it? The strategy audit is a systematic way to analyze the firm's strategy. Step 1. It is a step-by-step process to identify the external factors which are impacting every organization in your industry. By understanding the industry, we try to identify the positioning in your industry. Step 2. We assess the consumer's willingness to pay. What drives the consumer to get associated with your brand? Are your product and services better or cheaper? Which segment do you want to cater? Mainly, we do integrate on market, customer, and product and services. We try to identify your existing strategy and understand your strategic initiative. Step 3 is to analyze your resource, process, and profit formula. Do our existing resources are matching with the strategy that we want to pursue? Or do we need to start acquiring them? Do consult us for the strategy audit process and achieve the targets which you have set for your organization. Do contact us for a strategy audit on anvikshiki@anvikshiki.com.